Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my food cart. Today I am making gobi aloo. It is stir fried cauliflower with potatoes. It is very easy to make and delicious in taste, inshallah. To make it, I have cauliflower 1.5 pound. After cutting it, potato 1 medium size. Cut it in cubes like this. Onion 1 small size. Ginger grated 1 tablespoon. Salt 1 teaspoon. Red chili powder 1 teaspoon. Turmeric half teaspoon, garam masala powder half teaspoon, fenugreek leaves 1 tablespoon, green chili 1, cilantro leaves chopped 1 tablespoon, oil half cup, and cayenne pepper I'm using half teaspoon. So let's make this yummy vegetable with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In a cooking pan, add cauliflower and potatoes, then onion, ginger, now spread oil over them, then add turmeric, red chili powder, salt, and turn on the flame. Add cayenne pepper and stir it. It is on high flame for 5 seconds. Then I will keep the flame low and let it cook for 30 minutes to make our vegetables soft, inshallah. So let them cook on low flame now for 30 minutes. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. After 30 minutes cooking on low flame, let me check potatoes. Alhamdulillah, they become soft. Now keep the flame high and add fenugreek leaf and garam masala powder. Stir it for 5 seconds on a high flame. Then turn off the flame and add green chilies and cilantro. Now keep the lid on for 4 seconds and dish out it with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah. So delicious stir fried cauliflower with potato is ready. Enjoy it in hot summer and share recipe with your family and friends. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, my food cart, and follow me on Instagram. Allah Hafiz.